this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Slack Workspace access log. So if you want to see the logs or activities of all your Workspace activity, then you can go ahead and view the logs. If you find this video helpful, I can request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To access logs on your Workspace, head over to this Slack name here, and then down below, choose Tools and Settings. Under Settings, go ahead and choose Workspace Settings, and this will open a new tab. And under Permissions and Settings, go ahead and choose Access Logs. Now, if you click on Logs, you will be able to see all the details about account access for all members on your Workspace. And you can see we have the list. This is just too long. You'll be able to see all these details. If you want to go to the next page, you can click on Next here, and this will open further details. So that's how you can find access logs in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.